So we are here live on the SEMA show floor at the Rexall Solutions booth. I'm here with Dylan Moffat. How are you doing today, Dylan?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. So we're here to check out the new Rex-Allbag. It's how do you freight Rex-Allbag? Rex-Allbag?
Rex-Allbag.
Rex-Allbag. Okay. So could you tell me a little bit?
So the Rex-Allbag, the idea is that we can put any of our solvents, any products in this bag that's an environmentally friendly solution to aerosol. So you put it in this product here, fill it up with air, and then it sprays and makes it an aerosol product. And the good thing about that is it saves you about it has 3 times more product in it than a regular aerosol can.
And it's just a way more environmentally friendly option too. I'd have to imagine, right? Like,
Yes, because there's no chemicals used and it's air pressure instead. It's an environmentally friendly option to an aerosol can.
right. And I remember I spoke to Ryan about this a few weeks ago, and it just takes just in-shop air compressor to fill up the can, right?
Yes, yeah, you can use this air shop compressor and attach it to there, and it just goes on top of this, and it compresses like that.
So now that we're on the SEMA floor, how does it feel being at SEMA for the first time? What's the experience been like?
It's been very exhilarating having the new technologies all around us. Everyone has some innovative science that they're showing, and it's very like you can feel the energy here.
So where do you see? Obviously, this is a big advancement in and of itself, but where do you see this sort of thing going in the future? Obviously maybe there are plans you can't tell us about it, of course, but like what I don't know what are the advancements in aerosols beyond this?
So I can see it taking over aerosols entirely. So we're working to make it work with paints as well, so it can be a spray paint as well. But with the environmentally sanctions coming across through California as well, it's going to have a huge impact on the whole industry. And this is definitely something we can see expanding to the whole future of aerosol.
Okay, yeah, that's about all I got for you. Appreciate it, Dylan. Take care.
Thank you so much.